Today I'm going to talk about PTE, that is Pearson Test of English Language. In PTE, there is a speaking module. When it comes to the speaking module, there are 5 sections of the speaking module. When it comes to the PTE, particularly the system, that is the computer, evaluates your answers. So there are 5 sections in that. In the first section, it is read aloud. There'll be a context of about 60 words and you need to read it. After that comes repeat sentence. So there will be a content that would be spoken to you and it would be of around 3 to 9 seconds. You need to read, you need to listen to it and then you need to repeat it. Alright. After that, there will be a content of describe an image. In describe an image, there will be process chart. They will be discussing about maps, graphs, and you are supposed to describe it. There are very few seconds that you get to describe that image. When it comes to the 4th section, it is about Retell Lecture. You will be listening to a lecture and you are supposed to summarize that lecture. That particular lecture would be played for about 90 seconds. When it comes to the last one, that is the 5th one, answer short questions. So you are supposed to answer the questions in about 1 or 2 words. You get a time for that. There will be about 6 to 3 contents in that one. When it comes to Retell Lecture, there will be about 1 to 2 contents in that and you're supposed to listen to those lectures and you're supposed to summarize it. When it comes to the 3rd one, that is describe an image, there would be about 3 to 4 images that you are supposed to describe one by one. When it comes to Retell Lecture, in Retell Lecture, it will be the most available content that would be about 10 to 12 audio files you need to listen to and you need to reply, that is respond to it as per the audio is played. Your pronunciation, your fluency, the way you are repeating that particular content, that audio is all evaluated. You get scored on the basis of your recording. When it comes to read aloud, even there they are evaluating your pronunciation, the way you pronounce the words, whether the words which are written, are you reading each and every word clearly and completely or not? That's what you are evaluated on when it comes to PTE. That is the first section of speaking module. Before that, you are also supposed to introduce yourself. So you need to prepare yourself for the introduction of PTE. Thank you.